Doing this 5-minute easy measy, right? This 5 minutes. What was that? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing this 5 minutes easy peasy no makeup look. If you're going to office, if you're going to college and you don't have a lot of time to just glam up, but still if you want to look presentable, this is a perfect look for you. So if you're interested, please continue watching. I'm starting by moisturizing my face with Pond's Lightweight Moisturiser. This is a good moisturizer and the makeup sits beautifully on it. Next, using a lip balm to just moisturize my lips. Next, I'm using an orange corrector to cover up the pigmentation on my face. If you don't have pigmentation, you can totally skip this step. Whatever products I am showing will be there in the description box below. You can check that out. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and applying it wherever I applied the orange corrector and even on the rest of my face. I'm not going to apply any foundation as it is an everyday makeup look. And then I'll blend everything with a blending brush. Now setting my eye area and my mouth area with the Maybelline Compact Powder. Applying the blush with a very light hand and adding color back to my face. And just applying a little bit of highlighter on my nose. Next, I'm setting my makeup with a setting spray. As it is an everyday makeup look, I'm not going to apply any eyeliner, just curling my eyelashes with the eyelash curler and then applying a thick coat of mascara. To finish off the look, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. This is my absolute favorite lipstick. And there you go, you're done. This look just takes 5 minutes and it is an everyday kind of look, so you can definitely give it a try. So hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts. Till then, take care. Bye.